Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, I don't have my GoPro with me today. I got my GoPro, but I forgot to bring the batteries. So I will just record through my phone. Hopefully it doesn't turn out too bad. So this will be my first time recording through my phone this whole trip, okay? And this is one of the lakes at Minnetonka. It's one of the lake that is connected to Minnetonka. So it's pretty hot right now. Like, it's not giant slabs, but it's 7 to 9 inch of crappies. But you do catch some slabs sometimes, you know. So hopefully I find some for you guys. All right, so you guys stay tuned. All right, stay tuned. Ice is about 6 inch thick. Normally you don't need this because this lake is really stacked with crappies, but just for fun, you know, why not bring the light scope, you know. Alright, this is what you want to see, guys. This is what you want to see for a light scope. All of these are fish. I'm at 21.9 feet. All these are fish, guys, suspended. They are crappies, I guarantee you. Let me pull some out to show you guys. I'm just gonna use wax worms. That's how it looks like, guys. Get it? Oh, I got a fish. Oh, this one bites. First crappie of the day, guys. Ooh, that's a keeper, yo. I was fixing the light scope. This boy ate it. It's a good 8.5. Not bad. I'm not planning to keep any of these today. I'm just catching for fun, catch and release. This is the firecracker jig from KBL. I love this color. I only got one and they ran away. So we got 2 schools. One school's right here, the other school's right here. This school looks good. Big marks and off the bottom. There's a big one in the bottom too. Alright, let's keep jigging. Small one. What's the bluegill? Sucking species, guys. Looks pretty good. Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. Destroy. Oh, there's 2. Right. Not bad, guys, not bad. There we go. Oh, it's really light. Really small. It's a bluegill. Yeah, it's a bluegill. These are thick though. This is a pretty thick bluegill. Let's try some of these, you know. Alright guys, it's getting late, and yeah, we got more people coming in, and yeah, as you can see, like we got, oh, I got fish coming up. Here's my jig, I'm moving. Wow, these are super suspended. Hold up, I got like 5 fish around me. They're like only 7 feet below. Wow, let me see what they are. I caught like a 10-incher earlier with the suspended fish like this. Just gotta work them out. Oh, something's coming up. I think this lake is a night bite. That's why a lot of people are coming here now. And this is it. Catch you guys in the next video.